Are you ready for another exciting class? Our blueberry and lemon swan cake will undoubtedly blow your mind and taste buds. Four layers of tender, moist yellow cake juxtaposed with tangy lemon curd and plump blueberry compote, frosted with an exquisite Italian buttercream and adorned with rustic dehydrated lemon slices and beautiful three-dimensional meringue swans. This cake is dressed to impress, a very high-end pièce de résistance that is both stunningly beautiful and insanely delicious. Learn how to make our blueberry and lemon swan cake exclusively at the Bailiwick Academy. Here's a refreshing and tantalizing take on a cake made for dessert lovers the world over. Presenting our blueberry and lemon swan cake. 4 layers of tender, moist yellow cake juxtaposed with tangy lemon curd and plump blueberry compote, frosted with exquisite Italian buttercream and adorned with rustic dehydrated lemon slices and beautiful meringue swans. The story of this cake begins in the summer of 2022. I set out to create another showpiece cake that embodied the flavors of the season, yet perfect for any special occasion all year round. The cake had to be exquisite on all levels. It had to be insanely delicious and stunningly beautiful at the same time. It had to possess both elegance and sophistication, yet remain non-intimidating to the average home baker. It had to evoke feelings of nostalgia, yet be a vision of modernity. And, suffice it to say, it had to be very high-end from both the visual and gustatory standpoints. And so product development began on this new and exciting cake. As the recipe started to evolve and take shape, I was mindful of incorporating elements to the production of the dessert that would introduce new knowledge and skills to my students. From learning new flavor and texture combinations to mastering the simple technique of making three-dimensional meringue swan toppers, these goals have been accomplished. This is definitely a class no student and dessert lover should miss. Who should enroll in this class? Anyone who is looking for a new and ingenious cake to impress family and friends, or home bakers looking to add a fantastic product to their existing menu. The versatility of this creation is truly remarkable. It makes the perfect centerpiece for birthdays, anniversaries, or graduations, and will surely complement your spread for every holiday imaginable, including Christmas, Valentine's, or Easter. This class was designed to equip the learner with the necessary knowledge and skill on how to make the incredible blueberry and lemon swan cake. Students will learn the fundamental techniques on how to execute the recipe and apply expert methodologies to achieve a professional look on the finished product. So don't think twice, enroll in this class today only at the Bailiwick Academy, the country's premier online learning platform.